Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to download all photos from Google Photos to your phone. So, on Android we have two options, on the iPhone we have only one option how to do this. And let's get started with the first option on Android, so we can go to the Google Photos. Right here I recommended to click at the three dots at the right top and then set layout to the months, because by default you have a days, and I recommend to set it to the months. Also right here you can stack similar photos, it's up to you. Let's do this. And now you need to click at the check mark icon near to the months, and now we select all photos in this month, and you need to do this for all your photos. So you need to scroll down, then scroll down again and just select photos per months. And after that, at the bottom you will see the button download. You click on download. Let me show it to you with a few photos. Can I remove it, please? Yeah, okay, so let's say I want this picture. I click download, and now we will see these photos in the gallery. And you can do this only on Android. On iOS I checked and there is no option to download them. But we have the second option for Android devices and the first for Apple devices, so we can use Google Takeout. And we need to use PC to use this service. So you need to open your browser, then write Google Takeout, enter into this service, and make sure that you sign into your account. Then click deselect all, because we need to install photos only from Google Photos. And then you need to scroll down and you need to find Google Photos. So right here we have it. Click the check mark near to it. If you want to save all photos, you need to only, after you check the Google Photos, you just scroll down and go to next step. But let's say I will show it to you how it works, but it's not okay for me right now to save all of them, because there's a long time you need to wait for it. So I'm going to not this, I'm going to all photos, then deselect all, and let's say I wanna only for 2021. But let's say I select all of them. So click next step, then we will use the link, export once, file type zip, and right here you can set it to 10 gigabytes or maybe even 50. It depends how much photo you have, but for me 1 giga it's okay. So let's create the export, and now you need to you need to wait a bit, and it will send a mail on your account. So let's open Gmail account. You need to also sign in at the same account. And now we need to wait for the photos. Okay, and now we have it. Enter here. Okay, so right here we have file to download. Click on it. Open it. And right here you have your photos. Right here also I have the email with all my photos. Here it is. Oh no, not this one. Oh, okay, sorry, I guess I just deleted. But you will have the same. Now, on the iPhone, you need to also open your Gmail. Open on it. Then you will have this mail. You need to download it. Now we can open it. Right here we have it. Click at the zip and we have this folder here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.